we are renovating a laundry room in one of our apartments, and I came across the cutest rattan cabinets. Huge thanks to the brand for sending this over as a gift so I could give you a closer look. My favorite part by far is the rattan front. It just adds so much character and warmth to the space, and I honestly love it so much more than a plain white cabinet. It instantly makes the room feel more styled instead of just functional. The cabinet arrived really well packaged with clear instructions and all the hardware included. My son was actually able to assemble it in just a few minutes, which I always appreciate when working on apartment projects. Installation was straightforward and it's designed to be wall mounted, which is perfect for saving floor space. What's also nice is how versatile this cabinet is. You can mount it vertically or horizontally depending on your layout, and the interior shelf is adjustable, so it works for everything from laundry supplies to bathroom or even kitchen storage. The hinges are adjustable, which makes it easy to line the doors up perfectly once it's installed. Overall, it's a great mix of storage and style, especially for smaller spaces where every inch counts. So if you're looking to upgrade your laundry area, I definitely recommend you check this one out.